One day, while working at the United Nations University for Peace, the Vice Rector, Dr. Budowski, came to me and said, "Rita Marie, I've made a big mistake. I forgot to invite our founder, President Carazo, to the inauguration of the new rector that's coming up this Thursday at the National Theater. And Carazo's so angry. What can we do to make this up to him?" Well, I remembered that President Carazo was the person who discovered the poem Rasur, or Week of Splendor, and he had it published as a book. About a month earlier, President Carazo had written a letter to the University for Peace asking that they sponsor a national musical production of Rasur. So I asked Dr. Budowski what had happened to that letter. Well, it turned out that he had delegated answering that letter to a professor who had not done it. So President Carazo actually had two reasons to be angry with the university. So I suggested to Dr. Budowski that the University for Peace could smooth things out with President Carazo by agreeing to his request to sponsor a musical production of Rasur. Dr. Budowski checked with the new rector, and they put me in charge of creating a national musical production of Rasur in Spanish. Well, I was deeply excited about this strange turn of events, but I'm a Missouri farm girl with bad Spanish, and I had no idea how I was going to pull this off. But right away, I hired an impressive young man. He was bilingual. This was Andres Restrepo to direct this production. We would collaborate with a well-known composer that President Carazo had recommended, Carmen Moore from New York. So in very little time, Andres had the Ministry of Culture of Costa Rica on board with the National Dance Company, National Youth Orchestra, and National Choirs. However, the university had very limited funds for this project. We needed to raise over $100,000 in 1 month to bring Rasur to the stage of the largest theater in Costa Rica. So this goal seemed impossible in a developing country like Costa Rica. And if we didn't get the money raised in time, we'd have to cancel all that we had set up. So tune in next week to hear the miraculous way that we brought Rasur to the stage.